Hi friends! Welcome to our winter seek and find game. Bundle up! It's a snowy day and there are lots of hidden objects waiting for you to find. Look closely and use your super seeing eyes. Let's begin. Can you find the snowflake? Great job! There it is! You found the snowflake. Can you find the mittens? Yes, there they are! You found the mittens. Can you find the hot cocoa mug? There it is! You found the hot cocoa mug. Can you find the ice skates? Good job! You found the ice skates. Can you find the pine cone? Yes, there it is! You found the pine cone. Can you find the sled? There it is! Great job! You found the sled. Can you find the snowman? Yes, you found him! You found the snowman. Can you find the penguin? You found him! You found the penguin. Can you find the hat? There it is! You found the hat. Can you find the scarf? Yes, that's it! You found the scarf. Can you find the snow shovel? Awesome job! You found the snow shovel. Thank you for playing.